What is up? This is What's for Dinner. And tonight we're cooking up some barbecue chicken pizza. First, you're going to want your dough or your pizza base. Your cut up chicken. That's 2 fillets. Your barbecue sauce. We went with Kingsford because it's all natural. And also a red onion, mild cheddar cheese, and Monterey Jack cheese. Now, if you're going to use a pizza stone, I would preheat the pizza stone as you preheat your oven. Now, we just have a pizza pan. We're going to spray. This is just olive oil spray. You could use parchment paper if you want. And this is just olive oil around the rim. Now, this will come out fast if it's warmed up. That's what she said. You want to go with about a half a ladle full of barbecue sauce. For a large pizza, you would use a full ladle. And no one wants to see that. But when I used to work at the pizza shops, when you go with a small or medium, you do different ladle sizes. Extra sauce, you do like a ladle and a half for a large. You just want to brown up your chicken. And here I add some, of course, once I get it unstuck. Just some garlic salt. I believe it's garlic salt with parsley. And here I'm cutting up a little piece of chicken to see, if there's any pink in the inside. And a good tip, and I know this isn't the greatest camera angle, is to cup your hand as you're going around the pizza so you don't get any of the cheese, obviously, not on the pizza. And with the power of YouTube, that's how you top your pizza. And your onions, you want to go thinly sliced.
She smells the pizza. She smells the pizza.
Here I just put some of the barbecue sauce and ketchup or mustard dispenser, squeeze bottle. And goddamn, I'm so weak. That's why I fast forwarded through this part. Oh yeah, creepy face cam guy. Oh yeah. That could be retard face guy. everybody that we know. Here you go. We used to play all night, stay up to date like extra intense. Please like, subscribe. We appreciate everybody out there watching. Thank you so much.